Now, in previous video, I have told you about the cell theory, and some common features of cell also. In this video, I will tell you the types of cells, that's what is prokaryotic cells and what is eukaryotic cells. So let's start with the prokaryotic cells. So what is a prokaryotic cell? So the prokaryotic cells are defined as protoplasmic mass encircled by plasma membrane and cell wall, and are devoid of any membrane-bound organelles and a definite nucleus membrane chromosomes. They lack subcellular membrane-bound organelles, lack subcellular membrane-bound organelles. They have no definite nucleus, Some have external flagella for locomotion, or hair-like pili or fimbriae for adhesion. So now, some have external flagella for locomotion or hair-like pili or fimbriae for adhesion. They may be round, that's when cocci. They may be round-shaped. It is called cocci. Rod-shaped. It is called bacilli. Or helical shaped, it is called spirala or spirochetes. The prokaryotic cells examples such like bacteria, blue, green algae, this is called saffron, BGA, mycoplasma, and PPLO. It's fluido pneumonia like organisms. And now the time for eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cell. So eukaryotic cells are those cells which possess an organized nucleus with a nuclear envelope. So eukaryotic cells are those cells which possess an organized nucleus with a nuclear envelope. Some of the important characteristics of eukaryotic cells are cytoskeletal structures, membrane bound organelles, and organization of genetic material into chromosomes. And these cells also occur in protista, fungi, plants, and animals. This also occur protista, fungi or fungi also, plants and animals. prokaryote. Eukaryotic cell, like a prokaryotic cell, is covered by cell envelope. So it have cell envelope. The cell envelope is formed of only plasma membrane. In animal cells, it consists of plasma membrane and cell wall in plant cell, fungal cell, and some protists. All eukaryotic cells are not identical due to many differences. And also in multicellular organisms, all the cells are interconnected by some specialized proteins or polysaccharides, which constitute extracellular matrix, that is called ECM. Additionally, cells are also glued together by some specialized cell adhesion molecules, or CAM. In plants, cells are tied rigidly by cell wall. Animal cells are interconnected together by gap junctions, allowing free exchange of ions and signaling molecules. Plant cells are interconnected together by plasmodesmata, facilitating coordinated functioning of the cells in a tissue. In between pro and eukaryotic cells, some biologists consider algae, gymnodium, penicillium, etc., and protozoa, Noctiluca, as mesokaryotics that show chromosomes with acidic non-histone protein and amitotic cell division. However, modern cell biologists consider them as eukaryotes, though they possess some prokaryotic features. So that's it. And the basic concept of eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Now we'll move to differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So now in the left side, we'll put here at prokaryotic cell, and the right side eukaryotic cell. So the first point of the cell size. So the prokaryotic cells is usually small, and eukaryotic cells, the cell size is comparatively larger than prokaryotic cells. So now the second point is looks like in prokaryotic cells, nuclear region is poorly defined due to absence of nuclear envelope. Nucleoid, that means genetic material, is not surrounded by a nuclear membrane and is in direct contact with the cytoplasm. In the other hand, eukaryotic cells, their distinct nucleus is present. Nuclear material is surrounded by nuclear membrane and is not in direct contact with cytoplasm. In prokaryotic cells, amount of DNA is comparatively low. In eukaryotic cells, amount of DNA is comparatively very high. So in the prokaryotic cells, nucleus is absent. In eukaryotic cells, nucleus is present. In prokaryotic cells, protein synthesis occurs only in cytoplasm. But in eukaryotic cells, protein synthesis takes place in cytoplasm, mitochondria, and plastids. In prokaryotic cells, membrane-bound organelles are absent, but in eukaryotic cells, membrane-bound organelles are present there. In ribosomes are of 70 types in prokaryotic cells, and ribosomes are of 80 types in eukaryotic cells. Although in eukaryotic cells, 70 type of ribosome occurs in mitochondria and plastids. In prokaryotic cells, centrioles are absent, but in eukaryotic cells, centrioles are usually present. In eukaryotic cells, true sap vacuoles are usually absent. Instead, gas vacuoles sorry, may be found in eukaryotic cells. True or subvacuoles are commonly found. In prokaryotic cells, thylakoids, if present, lie freely in cytoplasm. In eukaryotic cells, thylakoids, if present, are grouped inside chloroplasts as granum. In prokaryotic cells, plasmids may occur. In eukaryotic cells, plasmids are absent. In prokaryotic cells having single envelope system, but in eukaryotic cells having double or two envelope system. So that is the differences between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So in this video I have told you as what is the eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells, the common features of both the cells and the differences between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. I hope this video will help you a lot. So please like it. Thank you.